Struggling road work hampering NWC's ability to supply water in Kingston. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, wrong move. Opposition blasts the government for withdrawing support for Venezuela.
Shoddy work. Parliamentarians raise concern about the quality of materials used in road repair.
Playing politics. Portmore Mayor accuses Health Minister of ignoring pleas to deal with mosquito issue.
And in the financial week, restructure. Digicel's creditor agrees to late repayment.
There's also sports commentary and weather in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what's been your experience with the water crisis in your area?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.